welcome back to my channel. If you're new, hi, my name is Alyssa, and for today's video, I am coming to you fresh out the shower, all the way skincared up to bring you the Bath and Body Works haul that I did today. Normally I would wait and like film this when I've got makeup on and such, but I was like, you know what, I don't need to do that. You guys have seen me in my bare face, which by the way, my skin is a little more red than usual because I did a more aggressive face mask, so don't let that scare you all as well. But I was like, you know what, I just want to go ahead and get this out the way and put my products away, and so I was like, let me just go ahead and film it right now because who cares. So that's what we're gonna do. So I hope you guys are excited. They had a bunch of their fall stuff out today, which is why I went, and I'm super pumped to show you guys what's going on. So without further ado, let's just go ahead and get started. Okay, you guys, so we're gonna get started with this haul. I'm super pumped. The reason I decided to go to Bath and Body Works today was because one, they had a sale going on their 3-wick candles that was like $13.50, and dang, that's a pretty good price for that. Plus they had like a 30% off coupon. I had quite a few free item coupons, and then the most important thing was because they had put their fall scents out, which I love their fall and like Christmas scents, so I'm super excited about it. For everything I'm going to show you today, we spent $68.91 and we saved $108.60. So I'm super excited about everything we picked up. I'm going to start with the things that we got for free first and kind of move the rest of the way like that. So the first thing we got, we had a coupon for a free wallflower plug-in. Now we didn't need any more wallflowers, so we decided to get one for the garage for my dad's space. He decided to go with the Mahogany Teakwood in the increased intensity. He prefers the increased intensity ones in the garage since that's where he keeps like his fishing gear to help keep everything smelling as nice as it can in there. The notes on Mahogany Teakwood are rich mahogany, black teakwood, dark oak, and frosted lavender. I'm sure many of you guys know this one. It's a very coveted scent. It smells like a dude. It smells really nice. It is quite strong, so I'm interested to see how it works in the garage because I know he hasn't used that in there yet. It does smell really nice, but if you were someone who is more sensitive to scents, that might not be one that you want because again, it is very fragrant, but it does smell good. I had another coupon for a like small body care item. I always buy the shower gels when I have this coupon because they're so easy for me to travel with when I gotta stay at somebody else's house or anything like that. So I love getting these. So it's always a no-brainer for me what I'm gonna use it on. I decided to go with the one in the scent Poppy, which is one of their newer scents for I think like the past, what, maybe month or so. I don't know what the notes are, so I'll write them on the screen because they don't come written on the little containers like this, but I thought the packaging was really cute. It does have a really nice like summery, slightly sweet, kind of fruity, the hint of floral in it, so I'll be interested to see what the notes are. I just figured I'd like to give it a try, and when I sniffed it in the store, it smelled good enough for me to buy, so that's why I got it. And then for the last free item, I had one of the standard, like when you save up all your points for like the free item up to a $16.50 value. If I do not get a full size body care item, which I didn't need, I always do single wick candles because these retail for $15.50. So to me, it is an excellent deal. Now I decided to go with this one. The scent is called the Perfect Autumn. The notes on this one are fresh cranberry, spiced pumpkin, crisp apple, and rich clove. Oh Lord, my lotion hands. I think this smells really lovely. You can definitely smell like the cinnamon and clove, and then like the apple is a nice undertone. I think it's a really nice scent for fall. I don't know that I've ever used this one or if it's a brand new scent, but I'm excited to burn it. I will say the packaging, it doesn't look very fall to me. The color is very much giving spring vibes, but I don't really care about that. It was a free candle, so I'm gonna just put this with our other stash. So I'm gonna go ahead and stick with the candles since that's what we've been talking about now. We did pick up 4 of the candles. Like I mentioned earlier, they were on sale for $13.50 a piece, and then I had a 30% off coupon for my entire order. So I think that made them about $10 a piece, which is like how much they cost on candle day. So an excellent time to get some candles. So we bought 4, like I said, if I didn't already mention it, and the first one we got was salted butterscotch. Now this one I know my mother is gonna love. She has not seen what we purchased yet, so I know she'll probably want to smell these pretty soon. But the notes on this one are warm brown sugar, sweet cream, pinch of sea salt, and melted butter. And you guys, this literally just smells like a butterscotch candy, which my mom loves, so I really think she's gonna like this one. It is very sweet, very sugary smelling. I hope it doesn't make me too hungry, but I am excited to burn it because I do think it's gonna give like off a really nice cozy vibe. This is what the packaging looks like. Again, does not give me like crazy fall vibes, but you know, it is what it is. I'm still excited to see how this burns in the house. Next up, we have the one that my dad gravitated towards first, which I thought was pretty funny. It is called Caramel Pumpkin Swirl, and the notes on this one are luscious caramel, ground cinnamon, rich brown sugar, and creamy vanilla. Again, this one does have kind of like sweet notes to it. It kind of gives me vibes of the butterscotch with kind of like the more sugary undertone. The pumpkin comes through, but not super heavy. So if you don't love pumpkin, but you like kind of want a little bit of pumpkin vibes, I think you may like this one. It smells really nice. Again, I think my mom's really going to enjoy this one. This is what the packaging looks like on this. I won't lie, I don't love the packaging on this one nearly as much, but the lid is super cute. It has little pumpkins all over it, so. All right, this next one is one that I actually picked out, and it's called White Pumpkin. The notes on this one were gingered white pumpkin, caramel glaze, and warm blended spices. This smelled really, really nice to me. It kind of smells like the inside of a Michael's craft store, if you guys know what I'm saying. You know how Michael's has that really nice, like all year long, warm cinnamony scent? That's kind of what this reminds me of. It smells really, really good. Typically, I liked, what is it? Sweet cinnamon pumpkin. That's one of my favorites, but I felt like this smelled a little bit better than that compared to the fact that we have so many pumpkin candles already. So I was like, you know what, let me just do this one. So I'm really excited. I think my mom is gonna like this one as well, and I really love the packaging on this. Like, look how cute it looks with all the little white pumpkins and the flowers. It's absolutely adorable. I am so excited for this one. Last but not least is a personal favorite of mine. I've had multiple candles, multiple wallflowers, hand soaps. This is one of my favorites, hands down. This is like one of the best fall scents in my personal opinion, and it is called Pumpkin Apple. First of all, can we, even with this packaging, I'll show you up close in a minute, but the notes on this one are red delicious apple, fall pumpkin, fresh ground cinnamon, and clove buds. This is fall in a candle, I guess. It smells so good, you guys. I'm absolutely obsessed with this. It is literally one of the best scents that Bath & Body Works puts out, hands down. It tops everything else for me that I have talked about thus far. It is just so good, and I was good and only got one, but I could have gotten a ton more because I absolutely love this scent. This is the packaging. Again, this is gorgeous. It screams fall. It's absolutely stunning. It's in kind of like my mom's favorite color, and I just am so excited about this one. I cannot get enough of this scent. Last but not least, of course, we had to pick up a few more foaming hand soaps. If you've been with me for a minute, you guys know our love of foaming hand soaps is just out of this world. That's all we want to use. I will not buy another type of hand soap from Bath & Body Works, and I don't use any from anywhere else. So I'm going to run through these pretty quickly because these are scents that you guys see us get all the time, but we only got one fall scent because I was pretty much restocking for like my mother's bathroom and the kitchen area, and I'm pretty much the one that's going to do like fall scents in my bathroom right now. They didn't have a ton of fall scents in the hand soaps either. They had the few that were like Halloween, which I didn't really like most of those, so we just kind of stuck with the basics. We got 2 of the black cherry Merlots. My mother really likes this one. The notes on this are dark cherry, black raspberry, and Merlot, and of course it's in purple, which is her favorite color, and it matches her bathroom. So we got 2 of those. We got another kitchen lemon, which is not surprising to any of you guys that have been around a lot because, again, this is one of my mother's favorites. The notes on this are zesty lemon, sparkling citrus, and Italian bergamot. And then coming up on a really close second, we got this kitchen mandarin. So pretty much same citrus family, but a little bit different. The notes are sparkling mandarin, fresh thyme, and cedarwood. This smells really good. We're finishing up one in the kitchen now, and I won't lie, I have really been enjoying it. Last but not least, the one that I got for my bathroom is the only fall one that I kind of picked up, and this was a little outside my wheelhouse. It's called Sugared Spell, and the notes are spooky sugared lemons, candy gumdrops, and sweet musk. So it does pull a little sweeter than I typically go for, but I think the fact that it had the lemon in there really kind of cut that down. So it smells really clean, a little bit sweet, not like anything I can name in particular, but I'm not mad about it. I really like the color because it's that really dark plummy purple, so like kind of spooky, but it doesn't have all like the, I don't really love like all the crazy picture decor on the ones that they have out now, and I didn't want it in my bathroom, so I'm pretty pumped about this. This is what it looks like, plain and simple. Anyways, you guys, that is all for my Bath & Body Works fall haul. I think that's what I'm going to call it anyways. I would love to know your thoughts and opinions. Have you guys already picked up anything? Is there anything you're planning to pick up? What are your favorite scents? Let me know down below. I am so pumped because this is getting me super excited for like fall and winter time, which are some of my favorite seasons. And I know I'm not trying to make the time fly by too quickly as it's barely August as it is, but I just love the cozy vibes, you guys. I cannot wait. So I really hope that you guys enjoyed watching. Thank you so much for watching. If you did enjoy it, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, as well as follow me on my other social media platforms linked down below. And I will see you guys in my next one. Bye.